Tony wakes up feeling bright, ready for a brand new sight. But something goes wrong. It doesn't feel strong. Still everything is light. Shoes are on the wrong way. Tony laughs and starts to say, "Oops, I made a mistake." But that's okay to make, learn and fix today. Spoon is backwards in his hand. Tony doesn't understand. Eating, understand. Eating feels so weird. Mistakes are not so bad. Writing letters upside down. Tony gives a funny frown. Teacher comes to show how the line should go. Learning all around. Everyone begins to smile. Tony learns it after a while. Wrong is not the end. Teacher is a friend. Try again in style. Fix it step by step today. That is what the teachers say. Tony starts to see learning is the key. In a better way. Laughing at a silly try. Tony waves a cheerful hi. Mistakes are fine. Everything will shine under learning sky. Now he does it right and neat. Every task feels so sweet. Shoes and books aligned. Everything is fine. Victory